Take your first color and cut out 3 pieces, one front whale body, one back whale body with a fin, and one back fin. Then cut the belly and water stream from your other color. Sew your fin to the lower right of your whale's belly. Sew the belly to the bottom of the front whale body piece. Give your whale a face. Ask an adult to help hand sew over your drawing if desired. Place the water stream piece on top of your back whale body piece. Take the front body piece and place it on top. Starting with the water, sew around the whole whale, leaving a section open. Carefully stuff your whale. Ask an adult to help sew your whale shut by hand.